Project 1080 in the water. Those 540s fired up and purring like kittens. Pat Sullivan from Performance Trading here in the boat. My rigging extraordinaire specialist. And pretty much got a finished boat here, ready to roll. We're about a couple minutes from the inlet now. And gonna give her some throttle and see how she rides. What a great job, Pat. Thanks for everything. It's been
Thank you, Stu.
It's been a learning experience for all of us. Taking a 20-year-old boat and putting 2018, circa 2019 power, Mercury Racing power. For all you guys at home that are ever thinking about doing this project, I'd say go for it. The whole race to repower idea with Mercury Racing was what got me thinking about this. They say cheaper to keeper. I think that kind of falls into play here, because for me to turn around and buy a brand new cigarette, I mean, I'd love to give Skip Raver my money, but I think it's about $500,000. When it's all said and done, I think this is about, this boat comes in at just under $300,000, fully rigged with all new paint, new interior, new rigging. We've got a Vessel View 703 here.
In the Vessel View, you can have this page up that shows your tab location and your drive trim.
Right.
And your tax.
Right.
With the touch of the Mercury logo, now all of a sudden,
oh, you just touch that.
touch
okay.
your Mercury logo,
Right.
and now you're looking at your engine temperature, your coolant temp,
Right.
the water pressure in the engines,
Right.
your oil pressure, and then your fuel flow.
Let's talk about the DTS, shift and throttle. Very smooth actuating. I'm just going to basically do a fingertip actuation there. So basically, I mean literally fingertip control.
Well, as we both know, Stu, the old cable system sometimes was quite cumbersome, and your levers were a lot longer.
Right.
Hence, Mercury has streamlined the throttle and the shifter, because it is literally effortless
Right.
to go in and out of gear.
It really
and
is.
It does make docking a lot easier.
We talked about dialing the boat in and obviously finding the right propeller.
We're going to need to get the RPM up by almost 1,000.
Yeah. Okay.
So we've got to come down in pitch by
Right.
almost 2 to 3 sizes.
Right. In the meantime, we've got a boat that runs about 74, 75.
When you did the retro, the controls, of course, have to be DTS because the new engines are DTS.
Right.
But you also went with the one-touch start, stop.
Yes.
Your T-switches are hidden inside.
Yes.
Okay. Also, now, it's not common on the older boats, your trim tab and your drive switches are also waterproof.
Great job, Pat. Thanks to Performance Trading. Thanks to Mercury Racing. And we hope you enjoyed this episode of the Project 1080 HP as we go through the paces and get ready for our first poker run.